everybody, welcome to Catherine Sews. Today's going to be a real quick one. Yesterday, I was doing a live session with some people at University of British Columbia, near where I live, and I was teaching them how to make masks, either hand sewing or no sewing. And one of the ones that I taught them was this, which it's kind of a crazy one. There's no sewing at all. It's just, all you need is a reusable shopping bag that's this kind, the bonded fabric, not the heavier plastic kind. So the bonded fabric shopping bag and a pair of nylons or knee highs, the downloadable pattern that's free in the description box below, just print that off, and an iron. You're also going to need a piece of parchment paper to protect your iron because we're going to be kind of melting this plastic bag. So parchment paper is going to protect your iron. That's it. So if you want to learn how to make a lightning fast NoSew mask like that, grab everything you need. Let's get going. Okay, so if you print off this pattern and cut it out, and then you're going to be cutting 4 out of your reusable shopping bag, this kind of fabric, right? Can you see that? It's the bonded fabric. It's not the heavy plastic kind. I got this kind of started in my session yesterday, so I've cut my 4 pieces. So you're going to stack all 4 pieces together with the good side out, and you're going to sandwich that in your piece of folded parchment paper. Good. We're going to use just the very edge of the iron to heat seal that front curve together, that we're going to be heat sealing and basically melting those 4 edges together. Right on top of all 4 layers together, and melt that away. You want your iron hot enough to start melting it, but the parchment paper protects it, so don't worry about going too hot. Flip it over, flip the whole sandwich over, and heat from the other side. Steam or no steam, doesn't seem to matter. Once you've got it melted from both sides, just let it cool for a second, and then you can open it up and check it. You want to check that all 4 edges got melted. See, that's a little bit open there, so I'm going to do a bit more right in there. Where it's painted here, it takes a little bit more to melt the plastic in there. I'm speeding up the video here so as not to waste your time, but this took me a good 4 or 5 minutes. There, that's got it. Now there's no open edges. Now for the pantyhose. First of all, just cut off the toes. Then you want to cut this into 3-inch sections. If you haven't seen my updated mask video and where I started to use the cut up nylons instead of 1/4-inch elastic, check that one out. I'll post it here. But after some trial and error, I found that 3-inch wide strips make the best elastic for masks. You just take that 3-inch wide strip, you get a soft, stretchy ring like that. So that works out great. What you'll do now is you'll take these 2 layers are not melted together. It's only melted on that front edge. You'll take your elastic ring, put that right in, push it away from the edge, bring just those 2 edges together, and now we're going to heat seal that edge together. And that's just 2 layers, not 4, so it'll be a little bit quicker than that center front seam was. The rest of the mask is out of the way so that I can just heat seal right there. Good, and that was probably just not even 30 seconds, and I can see when it starts to bleed through the parchment, I think you know you've got a good melt there. Good. Do both sides, top and bottom. Good. Once that's cooled a bit and you know that these ends are sealed, then you're going to bring that elastic right out to the edge, and now we're just going to heat seal the top edge and the bottom edge, and then you're done. Do both sides, inside and out. So there we go, everybody. There's our NoSew heat-sealed mask. And if you learned something today, you know what you gotta do. You gotta hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up too, because that means a lot. Thanks so much, everybody. Take care.